You know, a few years ago, if you wanted a robot vacuum that emptied its own dustbin, cleaned its own mop with hot water, and raised that mop in a rug or a carpet situation, you're spending over $1,000. Finally though, that price has come way down. Let's get started. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Today we're taking a look at the Lefant M5 Pro. Now Lefant decided to sponsor this video, and they know we take a look at robot vacuums and let you know what they can do and how they perform. After spending some time with the M5 Pro, I can tell you that it packs a lot of premium features at a price point that's a lot more accessible, and that I think definitely stands out. So if you've been holding on to an old robot vacuum because the prices have just been too high, I think this is the one you've been holding out for. Let me break down exactly what features it has at this lower price range. Let's start off with the navigation and how this robot vacuum exactly moves around your house. The M5 Pro uses 360-degree LiDAR navigation system. This is a gold standard when it comes to robot vacuums, and it maps out your home perfectly. This model can even actually store up to 3 floor plans, which is fantastic if you do have a multi-level home. It can do the first story, second story, and even possible third story. But what really surprised me for a robot at this price tier is the smart obstacle avoidance. Theirs is called PSD 2.0 smart obstacle avoidance, which uses a 109-degree ultra-wide angle detection system to see and bypass objects in your home. As long as the obstacle is over a couple inches tall, like shoes or bigger toys that your kids leave laying around like mine do, it can navigate around them without aggressively bumping into all of your furniture. Plus, the robot vacuum itself is only 10 centimeters tall, so it can go under low-profile furniture like couches or TV stand, where dust bunnies love to hide. Then when it comes to raw suction power, the M5 Pro packs 18,000 pascals of suction power. A lot of older robot vacuums struggle with heavier debris, but this thing uses a V-shaped turbo roller brush paired with a dual comb anti-tangle structure. What that means is it's able to pull lots of dirt in and hair in without getting tangled. I put it through our signature mess test, and the M5 Pro did very well. It didn't complete in one swipe, mind you, but it did recognize there was still a mess and came back and finished the job after it emptied its full bin inside the robot base station. Then again, vacuuming is only half the story. The mopping system on the M5 Pro is where it really punches above its weight class. Instead of dragging a wet static pad across the floor, it actually uses a 20 centimeter extended freshwater roller brush. It actively sprays cleaning water through 16 different outlets while continuously scrubbing the hard floors at 280 revolutions per minute. And because it pairs that with a built-in wiper stripe, it squeegees the floor as it goes, leaving 0 streaks behind. And if you have rugs or carpets, no problem. It has a smart carpet sensor that has the ability to automatically detect when a carpet is present and lifts up the mop up to 8 millimeters. Now, all that cleaning power is great, but for me, modern robot vacuums' biggest benefit is that you don't have to maintain them. The M5 Pro comes with a fully automated smart base station. Once it finishes cleaning, the robot docks and automatically empties dirt into the 3.2 liter dust bag. The bag holds up to 120 days worth of debris, so you're literally only thinking about emptying it around 3 times a year. As for the mop, it washes the hot roller brush using 167 degrees Fahrenheit of hot water. Finally, it uses silent cool air drying the system to completely dry the brush, preventing mildew or weird odors from building up in your living room. The whole station operates at a quiet 55 decibels, so you won't have to get interrupted whenever it has to clean and you're having a conversation or watching a movie. It quite honestly surprised me the most when doing this review of just how quiet it is. Whether it's cleaning, vacuuming, mopping, or emptying everything into the base station, it honestly is a lot quieter than other robot vacuums, and I think that's its biggest trait, that if you do want something that is quieter than other ones, this one is definitely the one that stands out for that. Wrapping things up, from the app you can customize basically everything. Water temperature, drying time, no-go zones, mapping, remapping your entire home, and of course linking it up with things like your Apple Watch, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home for quick voice commands when you don't even want to pull out the app. The Lefant M5 Pro proves you don't have to spend a fortune to get a completely hands-free and premium cleaning experience in your home. You're getting self-cleaning, self-emptying, obstacle avoidance, a strong suction power, all for a reasonable price. If you want to upgrade your cleaning station at home without auto-emptying your wallet, click the link in the description down below to get the latest deal for this robot. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.